Hello viewers, welcome back. Starting this video, we will be covering another feature of Tally which is not widely used or understood, the wonderful feature of job costing. So we will see how job costing is going to be helpful for what kind of businesses, and also we will quickly walk through the highlight or the features of job costing, understand the definition, and then we will go into Tally. And in this video we will learn how are we going to enable job costing and understand what are the masters that are required for you to manage job costing effectively in Tally. Before we go into Tally to enable job costing and work on the same, let us understand the relevance and the objective of job costing module. What is job costing? Job costing is an accounting method used to assign and track all direct and indirect costs to specific jobs and projects with the objective of ascertaining each job or project profitability. How do we arrive at the total cost of job or project? The total cost of the job or project consists of direct material plus direct cost and the overhead or the indirect cost. Let us now understand the relevance and highlights, mainly the benefit of job costing feature. Determines the true cost of each job or project. This helps in tracking the actual cost of each job or project. Next, ascertain the profitability of each job or project. Easy to determine the profitability of each job or project. Next, it helps in the identification of costing on a job project at an early stage. This helps to quickly take course correction. Next, tracking of material issued and consumed. We shall learn how to enable the job costing feature in Tally Prime. Before we move to Tally, let us understand the masters that must be created for effective job costing management in Tally. The masters that are required for job costing activities are cost centers to track non-inventory cost, which is direct and indirect accounting cost, go downs in the name of each of the project or job to track inventory movement. Once the job or project is completed, we have to ascertain the consumption of material for each of the job or project. So we need a consumption voucher class for recording the actual consumption of material for each job or project. Next, obviously we need party master for whom the job is being done and completed so that you can raise your invoice to this party. So you need a party master and your income or revenue or sales ledger. Now let us go to Tally and see how are we going to enable job costing. I have already created the company for job costing in the name of job costing. As you are aware, now to enable any feature, we have to go to the feature configuration. So all you have to do is, if you remember the keyboard shortcut, just press F11. By default, we shall have the basic feature options opened up. To enable cost center and job costing, we have to set this option show more feature to yes. You will notice the cost center feature is shown, but the job costing feature is not displaying. Again, come here and click here on show all feature to yes. Now you will see enable job costing option. First, let us enable cost center to yes. All you have to do is just double click and then come down and enable job costing also to yes. Just double click and save it by pressing Ctrl A. We have now enabled job costing module and are ready to track the costing of each job or project. In our next video, let us use a job or project scenario to learn how to create masters as we discussed earlier. I hope the introduction to the concept of job work, and also we understood that how you can track the profitability of each job or project, especially where you are handling any job or project with the inventory and you want to track the additional overheads or additional cost also. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.